Hi, my presentation today will cover the application of lean principles in the redesign of Lion Financial Services call center. We will start by answering what lean production means. Lean is a systematic method of identifying and eliminating waste in a production or manufacturing environment. However, due to its prevalence and success, today, lean principles have also been adopted in various office environments. Lean production evolved in response to the need to create value while eliminating non-essential activities. Development of lean is credited to the Toyota Production System, or TPS. In short, the objective of lean is improving product quality while reducing costs and removing waste. The case study of focus this week is Lion Financial Services, LFS. LFS provides investment management services to both corporations and individuals. In mid-2000, LFS managed approximately $7.2 billion in assets with some 350,000 individual and corporate customers. LFS serviced their customers via 3 channels, but we will focus on their call centers, which were responsible for 50% of transactions. Call centers were set up in Chicago, Boston, and New Jersey. However, as the company grew, call center performance was hindered. As a result, LFS sought consultation services from Andy Carr. Andy spent 2 months analyzing, measuring, and redesigning LFS's call center operations. In an attempt to improve LFS's processes, Andy identified 4 areas of concern and accompanying solutions. The 4 areas are performance measures, call center configuration, training, and individual performance. Andy's proposal encompassed many lean principles and ideas to improve processing. However, in the end, performance feedback would be measured by supervisors in an attempt to encourage future productivity improvement of agents. So now that we have an understanding of LFS's performance concerns, let's review the 7 design principles and how to apply each in the redesign of LFS's call centers. The first principle, placing linked processes near one another, was appropriately addressed by Andy. According to Lean, all steps in a process should be located close to one another. Bringing the 3 call centers together in one location eliminated functional silos, increased communication between agents, and improved awareness of availability. Standardizing procedures, the second principle, reduces the variability in agents' interactions with customers. Introducing a standard called Blueprint aligns agents with departmental strategies and consistent service. Next, loopholes, as defined by the text, describes work returning to a previous step for further processing, thereby causing delays. The goal of Lean is to eliminate loopbacks. The routing of customer calls is convoluted as calls can be continuously rerouted in an attempt to find an available agent. Overflows result in customers' waiting times of 3 minutes, which is well beyond the service objectives set by management. In an attempt to alleviate overflow, an automated system can be introduced to handle simple customer transactions or questions. Setting a common tempo, the fourth principle, describes placing work according to customer demand. During high volume times, not only should agents be available, they should be encouraged to reduce average talk time by being succinct and only answering the customer's question. Agents should be compensated on a performance-based model, aligning to management's maximum call time and measures such as those in Exhibit 3. The fifth principle, balancing loads, is a fundamental lean concept. According to the case, 70% of calls came from customers, whereas 30% from brokers. Brokers have more technical knowledge, and therefore, broker service agents should be well trained. Nonetheless, since the majority of calls are from individuals representing themselves, LFS should employ more customer agents than broker agents. If overflow of customer calls exist, the broker agents are well trained to assist in remediation of any wait times. Segregation of complexity is the next lean principle. Clustering tasks of services requests into similar groups based on complexity is what it encompasses. In short, I agree with Exhibit 4's configuration model. Agents are first co-located in Chicago, and then next, incoming customer calls are routed to one of the following: automated service, a quick line, customer, or broker service agents. Overflow can be moved to the next more complex service provider. The final lean principle is posting performance results. A positive group dynamic is important for morale, and competition can improve performance. Posting service groups results alongside company strategic goals allows agents to identify and in turn correct slow-performing areas. Moreover, agents can benefit from knowing what measurements they are being scored against. Now, I would like to conclude this presentation with a real-life lean implementation example. Boeing, an aerospace manufacturing company, has repeatedly increased the monthly output of 737 single-aisle passenger airplanes. How is Boeing able to increase this rate? By implementing lean manufacturing. I'd like to highlight a couple of Boeing's lean principles. First, employees are expected to establish clear priorities. Frequently, employees face multiple work statements with competing priorities. However, there can only be one top priority. Another Boeing lean principle I would like to highlight is complete a task from start to finish. Do not accept or pass on defects. The objective is to eliminate loopbacks. In conclusion, I hope this presentation provides a useful overview of lean principles and its application in business process improvement efforts. Please see my handout for additional information.